What's up guys, you are welcome back to Finland YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to guide or explain to you how to change the look of your chart in TradingView. So what you just have to do as usual is that you select the asset you want to analyze on. For now I'm going to click on BTC USD. So let me wait for the chart to load up. You can see that the thing is still loading up right here. So now, as you can see, I'm only having a line here representing the price movement of Bitcoin to US dollar. So how do I now change it to the one that pro traders are using, which is candlestick? So what you just have to do is you come here that I'm touching on the screen, you click on it. So when you click on it, you look for the candlestick. So this is the candle you're going to use, and remember to add it to the favorite. So if I click on it now, and as you can see, this is the candlestick right now. So that's how you're going to change your chart look to candlestick, and there are different kind of candlestick in it. So when you click on it, you're going to see another kind of candlestick. We have the holo candles, we have the volume candles. So if I click on the volume candles now, it is going to show something different, but I'm using free account, that is why I'm having this dialog showing. But this is how the volume candle actually look like. As you can see, that is doing preview here. So now I can change it to another one. Let me change it to holo candles. So this is how holo candles looks like. It used to have space in between the candle. So but the one that is very easy to use is the ordinary candlestick chart, as you can see. So that's how you're going to change your chart look in tradingview.com. Thank you guys for watching.